Good morning and happy Monday. Today I'm doing another what I eat in a day, showing you guys some really healthy recipes, easy meal ideas that you can make, good for you, taste delicious, and that are gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, and mainly grain-free. But like I said, all taste really good, but as nourishing for your body as it can be. And I got caught in the rain this morning. So we're wet, but that's okay. It was a fun walk in the rain. It's actually still raining. But lately this new year for 2022, I've been starting my mornings with this like green smoothie, and I've just been feeling really good doing it. I've been craving like starting my day with a green smoothie. I got like the download to start doing it at the beginning of the year. And this is one for me is not a meal replacement. For me, this is more of like a mini snack before I have a breakfast kind of later on. So I don't use this just as a meal. Let that be clear because there's not enough in this for this to be a meal. It's kind of like my starter for the day. All right, so this is what I've been putting in. I've been putting in spinach, juice of half a lemon, cucumber, almond milk. I recently started adding wheatgrass the last couple days, which I've been liking, but this is optional. Collagen, cilantro, and this is the game changer, aloe. So I don't put the skin in, I get this gel out from the center, and it's amazing for your gut. Cilantro is really good for helping your liver detox. We got lots of micronutrients in the spinach, hydrating cucumber and lemon, and then of course more gut health with the collagen. See, this is what the aloe gel looks like. I'm gonna scrape it from the inside, but this is like the jelly consistency. So this is everything in our smoothie. Now we're just going to blend it up, but you can see how much like greens and nutrients are in it. So I'm going to enjoy my green smoothie, probably like shower, get ready for the day, and then see you guys at breakfast. Actually, two things before I shower. I'm going to ice roll. As you guys can see, I get really puffy under my eyes from how much water I drink. So I use the Skinny Confidential ice roller. Oh, this thing just feels like amazing. Anyways, I'll do that in a second. But I also want to add that I do drink. I've finished one of these already, and this is 750 mils, and I'm like working my way through. So I probably had like a liter of water so far today, just to rehydrate your body, etc. Also, I feel like I just need to give you an update. I have switched to decaf coffee, which I never thought I'd say that I've been making decaf in the morning, but I make a decaf coffee, and I just was feeling that coffee was giving me jitters. It was giving me like almost a little bit of anxiety. I was just feeling a little anxious, and I was like, I need to cut it out. So I didn't cut it out cold turkey over kind of like December, the holidays, because I was like, all right, this is the time to cut it down when I'm not as busy. I started by doing like 3/4 a cup regular, like 1/4 cup decaf, like beans when I'm brewing. So I would like my ratio, then I would do like half decaf, half regular beans, and then, 3/4 decaf, 1/4 regular, etc. until I could get off of it. And it was pretty like a seamless transition. I didn't have any coffee withdrawals. Last time I tried to cut caffeine, I got splitting migraines. It was horrible. So also that note about the water and note about the ice rolling that I'm gonna do in a second. But I wanted to prep my breakfast before I shower. I'm going to make my tiramisu chia pudding, which if you have not made yet, I made it on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram because I post reels there and recipes that get there first, or sometimes just there and not on my YouTube. So follow that. But I have this chia pudding that I've prepped already. I'm gonna take half of it in here and make the chocolatey layer. Then this is the yogurt that I use on top. This is the best yogurt that there is. It's divine, honestly. And we're gonna make a layered tiramisu thing, but I'll show you that when I eat it. So this is my chia pudding tiramisu that I'm gonna have. I made another little small one so you can see the layers here. You can't see it in there. A layer of chocolate chia pudding, normal chia pudding, the yogurt, and then the cacao dusted on top. And I'll leave that reel down below. All right, it is 1:12 and it's time for lunch. Normally lunch for me is something quick, so I'm gonna do egg, avocado, prosciutto on some grain-free sourdough. I love sourdough. Sourdough is just better than everything else. So I have my pasture-raised eggs. I like using pasture-raised eggs because they're not only have higher omega-3s and vitamin D and minerals, but they're also going to be better for you. They don't have any hormones or anything like that. some sliced prosciutto, avocado, and this is the brand, because I always get asked, for the grain-free, gluten-free paleo sourdough, the base culture. So I have my prosciutto, the eggs, avocado, grain-free sourdough, excited to dig in. So I just wanted to remind you guys my hair is up because we're having a little dance party. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have midday dance parties. And listening to 852 Hertz music, which is my weekly fave this week. But oh, there we go. I want to let you guys know that I have something new for you. If you have been struggling to make healthy eating a lifestyle, I now have Healthier You, which is going to teach you the foundations to making eating healthy a lifestyle where you feel satisfied, you don't feel restricted, it becomes easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then for those of you who want to do the deeper work, we have Well Nourished. So there's options for you. Of course, we have one-on-one too if you want to go really, really deep, but we have Healthier You, which is the foundations, Well Nourished, which are for those of you who feel like you've tried everything and you feel like your body still isn't healing. We have those deep healings for you. And then of course we have a one-on-one. Akasha, I swear she's been going in and out. It's been driving me nuts. She's out, she's in, she's out, she's in, she's barking constantly. Yeah. All right, it is time to make dinner. I've been eating dinner early because I've been trying to eat for my human design, which is really fun. And my human design is direct light, which means my digestion works better if I eat only when it's light out. So I've been trying to eat before sunset each day, which if I don't have client calls that go late, like on a day like today, I can just eat and then maybe do some work after. But on client days, it doesn't always happen. I'm trying it out to see, if I have more energy, etc., just to see if it makes a difference. And there's been a lot of requests for like warm, cozy, savory meals. So I'm showing you a super easy penne alla vodka. It's dairy-free, gluten-free, grain-free, plant-based. No, well, the sauce is plant-based. I'm adding in chicken sausage for protein, but you could totally omit that because the sauce itself is vegan. And yeah, we're gonna have that, side salad. Good, nourishing, hearty, especially with eating early. If I'm gonna make it all the way to tomorrow morning, I need like a good solid meal versus not like chicken and salad. So the recipe is super simple. You need some garlic cloves. I'm gonna use 3. Some Italian sausage. I'm gonna use I think just 2, probably just 2. Some grain-free, because this is my favorite like gluten-free pasta. It also happens to be grain-free. I find that tastes the best. I just get it on Amazon. You're gonna need some coconut milk and some tomato paste. Okay, you can probably hear Akasha eating in the background, but this is the finished penne alla vodka. And then I have like a little side salad here, just plain tomatoes, vegan feta, and spinach to go along with my pasta. So as you guys saw, I ended the day with just some chamomile tea, super simple. I either have that or the Organifi chocolate gold at night. I'm just kind of like as a warming drink, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, if you want to join Healthier You, Well Nourished, or become one-on-one, all of those links will be down in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.